Next up, I'm going to show you all the tools that we use on any Cobalt Creed installation. This is the bread knife. This is used for cutting insulation, small duct. It's used for cutting fiberboard if you have to use it for that. Next is the pilot bit. Here we have a wood chisel, pry bar, two different size channel locks, a utility knife. We have two small flathead screwdrivers and one smaller Phillips head screwdriver. A small level. This is an angle drill bit for tight spaces. Sheet metal cutters, 2-pound sledgehammer, vice grips, crescent wrench, tape measure, speed square, regular claw hammer, magnetic tool, electrical tester, a variety of drill bits, different lengths of your 5/16 and 1/4 inch head drill bit, which is used most of the time in your drill, copper pipe cutters, Allen wrenches, small flathead, medium flathead, another Phillips head screwdriver, hand saw for getting drywall or other smaller areas that you can't get your sawzall into, dikes. This is the zip tie tool for tightening zip ties, and this is what I carry in my tool bag. So with the power tools, I have two impact drills because sometimes there's instances where I need to have a different bit in each one. It just expedites things quicker. Or you're in different locations, somebody needs one down at the bottom of the stairs and I'm all the way up in the attic. I have a drill that can also be converted to a hammer drill, and that is for drilling my larger holes, for 4-inch holes, or the 1 7/8 hole, which is into the metal, using those hole saw bits that you saw previously. I also carry a small circular saw for cutting wood, and I carry a sawzall, a reciprocating saw, for cutting drywall, cutting into the wall, cutting into ceiling joists or floor joists where I've been given permission. I have a metal cutting saw, or a grinder, angle grinder is another name for it, which I also carry blades for cutting metal. I also carry a diamond blade for cutting into concrete or stone or masonry when necessary. I also carry a larger hammer drill for cutting holes in foundations if needed on site. This is a hand crimping tool as opposed to the impact. This can be put on your impact drill for crimping. Next up are metal benders. So I have two different metal benders. One is on an angle, on a 90-degree angle. The other one is just for straight. The difference is when you're in tight places. So in my hand tools, I have the sheet metal cutters, hand cutters. This serves the same purpose, but you can put this into your impact gun for cutting larger pieces of metal that you have access to. If you're in a tight place, you will probably have to use the hand cutters. Next is a hand brake or hand metal bender. You slide the metal into this groove and then make your bend. Next, this is your radius cutter for cutting circles in metal. You can go from a 20-inch circle down to a 2-inch circle.